Good morning to everyone, and welcome to our class for today. In this lesson, we are going to discuss about the adverbs of manner. But before that, kids, let's try to unscramble the letters. Can you get your papers and pens? All right, so this one. So there are some hints that you can think which one is this. All right, so this is part of our lesson. It's all about adverbs. So what kind of adverb is it? We use always, never, sometimes, and often in our sentences. 5 seconds to think, stop, and if your answer is adverbs of frequency, then you are correct. Congratulations. Let's have this here. It's also a kind of adverbs, and in these adverbs, we usually use soon, later, yesterday, and already. What kind of adverb is this? 5 seconds on the clock. All right, so let's. This is the adverb or adverbs of time. So remember, when we use adverbs of time, we usually have soon, later, yesterday, and already. We all know that as of now, everyone is staying at home because of the pandemic brought about by the COVID-19 virus. I'm sure most of you help your parents in doing household chores such as sweeping the floor, doing the dishes, preparing the table. You're doing a great job, kids. And for this part of our lesson, we are going to read a short story about Anna. I hope you're going to listen to me very carefully. Lend me your ears and let's start. Teacher will read it and you can read it silently too. Anna helped her mom cook dinner. They carefully cut the vegetables and slowly placed them into a boiling pot of water. Next, Mom quickly browned the chicken and patiently let it cook. She works fast. Anna eagerly waited for her next job, which was to gently sprinkle spices into the soup. But she accidentally poured in too much pepper. Anna quietly told her mom her mistake, and she sweetly told her. As a child, she had coincidentally done the same mistake. Now, she realized how fun it is to help her mom cook dinner. Let's try to answer the following questions based from the story that we have read a while ago. For the question number one, who helped mother cook dinner? Question number two, what did Anna do to help her mother? Question number three, why did you think mother did not get angry at Anna when she accidentally poured too much pepper? And for question number four, how does Anna feel after helping her mother? So I know you know all the answers. You can write it on your papers and you can pass it to me after our discussion. I have here sentences taken from the short paragraph or from the short story that we've read a while ago. How do they cut the vegetables? How do they cut the vegetables? So they carefully cut the vegetables. So when you say how, that's carefully, right? How did she place them in a boiling pot of water? So she placed them slowly in the boiling pot of water. How did Anna wait for her next job? So Anna waited eagerly for her next job. How did she pour the pepper? She accidentally poured too much pepper. How did Anna tell her mom about her mistake? Ah, Anna quietly told her mom her mistake. So you have to remember the words that is underlined or the words that are underlined here. So we have everybody say carefully, slowly, eagerly, accidentally, and quietly. As you can see, there are underlined words in each sentence. And we call these words adverbs of manner. So you have children that adverbs of manner usually answers the question how. It is formed by adding ly after the main adjectives or main adjective. So our example a while ago is carefully, right? Carefully. From the word careful, we are just going to add ly. Like, how do they cut the vegetable? So they cut the vegetable carefully. So I hope you have learned something from our discussion today. To have this one, let us study how adverbs of manner are formed through a chart. So the first one there is careful. Carefully, it means in a way that avoids harm or being cautious. You're just being cautious. Slow, slowly, at a very low speed. Eager, eagerly, have a strong desire to do something. Accidental, accidentally, not intended or by chance. Quiet, quietly, in a silent way. Brave, bravely, being courageous. Loud, loudly, in a way that produces much noise. Quick, quickly, at a fast speed. Honest, honestly, in a truthful or fair way. Polite, politely, in a respectful way. So these are just some of the examples of adverb of. I think you're ready now to answer your guided practice for today's lesson. Get your pens and get your papers. List down the adverbs of manner that you're going to read in this short poem. You have to identify the adverbs of manner. So I will be giving you enough time to answer this one. Okay. So you have to remember the value of kindness can be shown by helping others, especially with our parents at home. You have to help your parents. You have to enjoy life with your family and friends in this time of pandemic, but of course, do not go out because it's very dangerous. You have to stay at home. Enjoy staying at home with your family. In today's lesson, again, what is adverb of manner? So you have to remember adverbs of manner are words that tells us how things are done. They answer the question how. It is formed by adding ly after the main verb or the adjective. So we have the example here too. The examples are carefully, softly, deeply, lovingly, politely, and many more. Let's do this one. Read each sentence aloud and identify and encircle the adverbs of manner in each sentence. Number one, the leader of the group spoke loudly. So which one is the correct answer? Is it A, spoke, B, loudly, C, leader? Number two, the boy excitedly opened his birthday gift. Is it A, excitedly, B, birthday, C, gift? Number three, pupils answered their worksheets easily. A, pupils, B, worksheets, C, easily. On to the next part. Use the correct adverb of manner to complete each sentence. Choose from the word inside the parenthesis. So the lesson was clearly, bravely, quickly explained by the teacher. We whispered patiently, softly, correctly during the movie. So just try to choose the correct adverb from the parenthesis. Let's go to the last part of your lesson. So this is your quiz. Identify and choose the correct adverbs of manner that will complete each sentence. Write the letter of the correct answer on a piece of paper. Many of our grandparents lived. A, grandparents, B, lived, C, freely, D, many on this land. The doctor examined his patient carefully. Doctor examined patient. My mother prays badly, solemnly, quickly, prayed.